In the middle of a world that never stops moving, have you ever paused to listen to the whisper of the earth? Look at a branch heavy with fruit. It stood there in silence, enduring the scorching sun and the fiercest storms, only to offer its sweetest flavor to the world today. It didn't rush, it simply grew. Our lives are much like a hidden garden. Every effort you make today, the sweat, the long nights, and even the moments you felt like giving up is a seed being sown. Do not be discouraged if the fruit isn't ripe yet, and do not lose heart if your harvest hasn't arrived. Believe this, every act of persistence will be rewarded with a magnificent harvest. When you finally hold the fruit of your labor, you will realize that every trial was the very nutrient that made today's victory so sweet. Harvesting a ripe fruit is more than just receiving a gift. It's a moment of gratitude for not giving up on yourself. Let nature remind you that the world is still full of hope. As long as you keep planting love and kindness, your soul will remain a flourishing sanctuary. Smile, take a deep breath, and continue your journey with a heart full of light. True happiness isn't about having the most. It's about appreciating the beauty in what we have right now. Tâm Inspires sends you a warm embrace from the heart of nature. A question for you. What is the sweet fruit you have harvested recently? Or simply, what is one small thing that made you fall in love with life today? Share your story in the comments below, and let's spread this positive energy together.